This model kit review is of the MIG-23, and it's a 1/48 scale model by ESCI. And don't see any other pictures on here, so let's have a look inside. This looks like this is our canopy, and it is inside some cling wrap, reasonably molded. Let's have a look at our other sprues. There's some loose parts in there. So first of all, looking here, this is the lower edge of our fuselage. These are all raised panel lines. We've got a little detail, almost nothing in those wheel wells. And here's the top part of our fuselage, also raised panel lines. We've got fuel tanks here, our landing gear, more landing gear parts here, wheel well covers. Oh, not a lot of surface detail. Here's our nose wheel with the mud guard, and our other wheel. Those wheels are fairly well molded, actually. Let's have a look over here. Here's our swing wing with the gears. It'll interact with these ones. Some details here. This must be the underside of the wing. It's going to sit inside there. This is probably our instrument panel here with no detail. Our air intake, and looks like probably our tail, and stabilizers with some flashing and mold lines, unfortunately. And this might be our nose wheel well. Here are some weapons, reasonable level of molding, some pylons. Here's our exhaust with the fan inside there. Our exhaust with the nozzle. Our air intakes, and then the inside of the cockpit. No details on the inside there. Here's the other side of the nose, and here is the actual nose of the plane with must be our wheel well. Let's have a look at our decals next. There's actually a fair amount of detail here. We have an instrument panel. And let's look at our instructions. This is an older model kit. And we'll start off here with putting together the cockpit that goes inside the nose of the fuselage. Wings then go together, and the landing gear, and then we put together the wings and the fuselage, and next the nose goes on, and we put together the tail, and our air intakes and stabilizer. Those then go on the plane, as well as our air intakes and exhaust. We put the weapons and tanks on, and those then go on the plane, canopy, and weapons. Here's the painting and decal guide. Here's one option. And here's another option. So, all in all, here's some of the details. All in all, some level of detail. Decals are reasonable. Molding's okay.